Alright, fixing AC problem. The fan doesn't want to turn on, and once it turns on, the compressor doesn't want to turn on too. So first things first, you want to go inside the house and turn off your circuit breaker, and then after that, if you have a switch like this too on the outside, you can turn it off. This is the stick that I use to manually turn the blade. And then telltale signs of bad capacitor would be a blown or bulging top, like that one. Yep, and this one is 45 plus 5 microfarad 370 volts, and this is the replacement one. It's the same, and I also use multimeter to check if this capacitor is good, and I'm supposed to be reading at least a 45 and 5 microfarad from the leads, but I don't get it, so I'm replacing it with a new one. And make sure to wear gloves. Yep. So this is the new part, and when I was talking about the bulge, see this part right here? Yep, this part is flat, and the old one is kind of puffed out. And then the red one goes to C as well. Just like that. And what I'm gonna do is I'll put it back inside this container. This is how I found the previous technician. Also kept it on the box and tucked it on the side. Just like that. So that's how you replace your run capacitor. Before I close the service panel, I want to make sure that the unit is running. So let me clean up this. I'm gonna turn on the AC breaker. What's this one? And the moment of truth. Make sure that everything is tucked in. Now time to flick up this breaker. Yep. Fan turn on, and definitely you can also hear the compressor turning on now. See? Yep. So that's how you fix or replace intermittent AC startup with replacing the run capacitor. Thank you.